Girl, you gotta have my back. Me and you,
So, this is welcome to this YouTube channel, guys. Now, this is a dance by. This is a dance. You know the song is Scared. I don't really know what song is what. I just please stand here, Scared. Now, the dance. If you're not subscribe to this channel, like this video and share to your friends. Now, the first step in this dance is everybody. So you crisscross, turn to the side. I think, guys. First step, crisscross, turn to the side. That is the first thing you are supposed to do once you're starting the challenge. Now let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And going down my back. Hey. 5, 6, 7, 8. And going down my back. Hey. Then once you are facing your side, the next thing to do is to nobody on my. Listen, guys, let's go side. Let me test you by doing this. Go, stretch your hand. You lean forward, not backward. Lean forward. So it's lean forward, then side, 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 side. So it's and be going down slowly. So it's lean forward, side, 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 side. Let's do for the first step. 5, 6, 7, 8. And on my back. Hey. And look me. Nobody on my mind. Nobody on my. Once you do that, you time the song, counting at least 1 to 6. Then you turn to the other side, doing the same dance step again. I think, guys. So you count the sound like you count the move. So let me try to count with you guys for you to know how it works. 5, 6, 7, 8. Anyway, out my back. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So probably 9 or 10. I'm thinking it's 10, guys. So let me just count it with my hands from the main counting. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And nobody out my back. Hey. Nobody on my mind. So it's 8, guys. It's 8. Count 8 in your mind while doing this move. I counted 8 in your mind, then you turn to the other side. Count that 8 again, then face forward. Now, after you have done counting 8 for both sides, the next thing to do, guys, is to face your front. Then the next step is do your hands like a slimy circle, this zigzag movement, zigzags like that. So you do zigzag movement. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what you're going to do, guys. Let's go with once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ain't nobody got my back. Hey. Nobody on my So I want to do this one twice. 1, 2. Then you drop it down. You drop it down your body. You drop it down. Then you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While moving sideways. Sideways. So you drop it down. Moving sideways. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ain't nobody out my back. Ain't nobody out my back. Hey. Nobody on my back. Nobody on my back. The last time, guys, is doing Kung Fu. So He posts like snake in a monkey shadow, like a Jackie Chan drunken master. So he posts like that, guys. That's the final step. So let me do the dance tutorial from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, nobody got my back. Hey, looking at you. Nobody on my So that's the dance, guys. That's the full dance tutorial, guys. Let's do that tutorial. So let me try to slow it up for you guys. Give you guys a slow version of this dance. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Ain't nobody got my back. Hey, hey, hello, hey. Did like you do. Then you turn to the other side. Nobody like you do. Then you turn to your front. Then you do the snake move down. Then you bend side, side. Then you do a drunky master. So that's the final dance, guys. So this is the dance tutorial of this scared song trend right now. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this channel, guys, to your friends. Don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here. 2 videos I'm displaying over here. Don't forget to watch it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Remember to dance with your friends and loved ones because it's fun that way. I'll see you guys in my next video. So, peace!